Morning guys, gals, Froggy here. I needed to get a multiplier, an outlet multiplier that had USB charging on it. And the one in the middle there, that's my old Woods plain old outlet multiplier. I suppose they still sell those. And I bet you it's old. There you go. It's about 20 years old. Anyway, it's very rugged. It probably will, well, it's still good and everything. It just doesn't have the USB capability. So first I got this one, and I plugged it into the wall, and it, well, let me show you what happened. So it goes in the wall. Let me get a good focus. And then you put a device, you plug into it, right? Then if you need to unplug something, it sort of works its way out of the wall there, like that. Because there's no screw. Some of them, they have a double plug, and the double plug holds them in pretty good, but there's no screw. And so instead of that one, I got this one. Now this one also has grounding. Well, everything's grounded. I don't know, it's just a light that makes you confident that it's grounded, I suppose. But it also has some surge protection built into it. I guess that's good. And it has a screw in the middle, right there. And it's got two USB chargers. I don't know how many amps they are. Probably decent amount. I don't think it shows on the back here. So I'm going to try this out. Let me put it in the wall, and I will put the screw in, and then I'll show you. Well, the first thing I'm going to ding them for is this screw's not long enough to put in a standard American wall outlet and fasten. I did have a screw that was about 3/8 of an inch longer, and that works. So here's that one installed, and let's try this plug thing. It goes in pretty tight. And I'll try it 3 times. Alright, so that takes care of the problem that this one had. I don't know how much, whoops. I don't know how much more I can explain to you about this. I would put the standard type plugs on the across the top. You see that little flash there? It means it picked up some load, probably my TV. And then the ones that have a little bulkiness, probably be able to put 2 in down the bottom, 1 there and 1 there, and then 1 or 2 more standard type ones. And then the USB. Now that's a USB-C, so I have to do a standard USB down there. But anyway, I thought I would just ramble on a little bit and show you what I look for when I get a replacement wall outlet. So I'm looking for USB charging outlets, and I'm looking for something that holds it onto the wall. The Woods, the old 20-year-old one, that had a thing. Maybe that screw will work. It depends on how thick the backing plate is on this. So, looking for something about like that. I'll put a link to it if you want one of those, but you'll need to get a longer screw. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. See you later. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Oh, by the way, I got 2 of these for... What? Come on, focus. 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 Well, I'll just read it to you. $19.99 for 2 of these with the protection and with the grounding indicator. one of these was about 15, so you can do the math and figure out the better value. Okay, see ya. Froggy out.